I created a TikTok account and in less than 30 days, I had 10K followers. In this video, I'll be showing the step-by-step approach I used in creating this TikTok account and making sure I grew up my followers to 10K followers and more. There is a screenshot of my account right here with 13K followers and 110 likes. Okay, this account is a faceless account. I'm not using my face, I'm just using videos from the internet, videos of other people, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to do it. Kindly stay tuned to the and don't leave the site. Okay, so guys, if you are new on this particular channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the bell notification. On this channel we bring you tips and just on how to boost your your online presence, how to grow up your business, and we give you vlog videos as well, travel the world and share with you interesting places you can travel to. So guys, into the video, how to create a TikTok account. We all know how to create a TikTok account, yes, but sometimes finding a particular name for the TikTok account is the problem. So in this video I'll be dividing it into three: the name, how to find a particular name for your TikTok account; the content to create, as in the niche; and how to promote your TikTok account, as in how to get the followers. Okay, so the first one is the name. To find the name for a TikTok account, mostly it depends on your target market. With this particular video, I created two TikTok accounts. Okay, one, the target market being the United States. Even though I'm not in the United States, I'm going to teach you how to get your target, or how to target your videos to the United States and make sure it's reach them. And two is the target market being Ghana, UAE, Saudi Arabia, like the Gulf countries. Okay, so yes. So after creating your account, if you are targeting the United States, before you create your account, kindly, especially if you are in Ghana, before you create your account, kindly make sure that you have your VPN on. Okay, so when you connect your VPN, please don't connect your VPN like when you download the app, the free VPNs. Make sure you connect your TikTok in the web version. In the web version, you can have access to strong VPNs where you can access the foreign sites. Okay, so the use of a VPN is one, which I won't encourage. It's not like Ideal. That wasn't an Ideal good part for me, but rather using the US number. I used the US number to create the account, and I posted 3 videos. I think, yeah, 3 videos, and one video blew up. Yes. And when I went to check the source of views, I checked that it was the name I was using. People were searching the name on TikTok, so my video popped up. And when the video popped up, it was about this Saudi Arabia canceled their deal with US, and automatically I had 1 million views from that one video, and that one video got me 2,000 followers from that one video. I'll be showing you everything here. Yes, because my target market then was the US. So the US people were watching United States, and I had 2,000 followers from there. But when I posted the second video, by then my country of origin has changed. It has changed. It has changed to Qatar. So I had 1 million views on that the other video as well, and that video gave me 9,000 followers. Just one video, 9,000 followers. So this should tell you the name plays a vital role in your target audience. So one, you have to use a VPN and a US number if possible. And two is the niche. Listen, most of us, we want to create TikTok accounts, but we don't want to show our face. So what you have to do is just go on YouTube. If you find video that interests you, video that you find interesting, automatically, as far as it interests you, automatically it's going to be of interest to someone. All you have to do is just screen record the video. And YouTube, the video size is kind of 16:9. So when you screen record this video, when you come to your gallery, you just crop it 16:9. But when you post it on TikTok, you have a ratio, like a part where you can just make the video maybe 4:4 or 16:. It depends on the video content. But if you want to display all the video content, you can just put the 16:9. Then you get another video and you attach it to the background. Okay, making it the YouTube's the TikTok standard. Then you post it. So secondly, you can post, you find a niche. So, and one research I have done into this niche finding, I realized that niches like football niches are very easy to blow. Football niches. Sometimes you just need small editing skills and you are good to go. And sometimes if you want to target the football niche, you can center it around players with hype, okay? And you can make it controversial, like controversial if you want to. But mostly when you go to TikTok right now, when you search football niches that uses Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo, all those sites are blowing up. All those sites are having thousands of followers, millions of likes. Because it's Cristiano Ronaldo we are talking about here. It's the GOAT we are talking about here. He's the GOAT. So guys, if you're in Ghana, you can start. If you're into football, you can use this Cristiano Ronaldo shortcuts, download them, edit them a little, and they are yours, and you just put them on TikTok. Yeah, and you are going to blow. It's going to go viral overnight, and you are going to get followers and views as well. And aside the nature, sometimes you have to be engaging. You have to post engaging stuff, okay? And this one, I'll be using my second account. Even though I don't have 1,000 followers on my second account, I think I have 600 followers. I have one video which has accumulated 1 million views. And what I posted was, you can do it. If you're in Ghana, you can do it. What I posted is salary increment from 2016 to 2024. So maybe 2016, you were taking $100 or you were taking 100 cedis. 2017, you were taking 200. So I just posted pictures. TikTok have this new feature, the picture slide, where you can just post pictures and people will be scrolling. So just the money, the caption, 2024 salary, 2022, and it blew up overnight. It blew up overnight. That video alone has given me like 10K because of, that video is targeted to the Gulf countries. So for them, they hardly like videos. It's rare. So yeah. So after we finished talking about the niche, I want us to talk about the rate at which we have to promote the video, when to post, how to post, and what to post. I've already discussed what to post, so yeah, when to post and how to post. And sometimes when you create the TikTok account for the first time, I'll advise you not to post. After creating the account, just scroll on the platform and just go through the videos you like to do. Maybe if it's animal videos, you just search animals, then you just go through and try and see what people have done that you can do better. Some of the videos you can just implement them, you can just see it and copy it, and it will work for you. That's what I do. I see it, I copy it, I do it my way. Sometimes you see it, okay, it's a picture and a caption, so you just steal the caption. When you steal the caption of the video, you just post your picture, you put the caption over there. And and there is a video that I usually like caption that like asking questions. What advice will you give to your 20s now? Videos like that, they do blow up. So with that said, when to post for the first time, I can't tell you when to post because you don't have no followers and you don't know when to. So from the country you are, if you're in Ghana, I would advise you to post in the evening, 6, 7, 8. That time people are online, so when you post, people are likely to see your videos. And if you're in the US, you have to evening where people are online. So as time goes on, when you get followers, you can just go and check your creator analysis. Then you check times and places where your views are coming from. With that, you can analyze when and how to post. Okay, so guys, in all, we talked about 3 things: the name for your YouTube channel, the niche you should tackle, and how or when to post on YouTube in order to get more followers. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you find this video interesting, kindly subscribe, comment in the comment section. Feel free to ask questions if you don't understand anything. I was able to build my YouTube account. I was able to build my TikTok account in less than 30 days, like less than 20 days, from 0 followers to 10K followers. And as you can see, I'm not following anyone. And if I don't tell you this account is my account, you won't believe it. But it's my account. Even recently, I don't post, so you can do the same. Feel free to ask questions. And please, the caption do play a major role, like the hashtag. Sometimes you have to give your video a hashtag, a nice description, and use keywords so that when people search for the video, they can see it. So, until then, I'm out. My next video, I'll be posting about how to monetize your YouTube. How to monetize your TikTok account. If you are in Ghana or Africa, how to monetize your TikTok account. So, guys, thank you for tuning in. Once again, my name is John Allard, and I was your host for today. You can call me. Call me what? It is what it is. I don't know what you want to call me, but you can call me what you want to call me. Charlie, I got so many videos coming your way this weekend, this month, this year. I'm out. Bye.